morning guys! Welcome to another vlog!
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight.
For today's video, tinurta ako ni Papa dito sa bagong, hindi naman siya yung as in new. Isa sa mga pwede niyong puntahan pagpunta kayo dito sa Pilar Camotes is etong boardwalk. Yes. So, pumasok na tayo sa entrance at nagbayad tayo ng 20 pesos each. Kung mamasyal lang kayo, 20 pesos each. Then, meron silang mga cottages dun sa dulo na pwede nyo ring rentahan. Yan. It's actually a mang forest. Wow. Hear that chicken? Yan. It's low tide today, so walang tubig. Yan. So, naiwan na tayo ni Papa. Nauna na siya dun sa sobrang excited niya, guys. First time niya rin makapunta dito, kaya yun. Kaming Kawit kaninang 5 AM. Hinatid namin yung ate ko naman dun sa sakayan ng pump boat papuntang Cebu City. Nag-side trip na rin kami ni Papa habang pauwi kami. So, dinaan niya na lang din ako dito para maipasyal. At siya din kasi hindi pa siya nakapasyal dito. So, ganyan. Ang dulo pala nito, guys, ay dagat. Yan. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Ganda, guys. Sobrang tahimik. Wala kayong kaagaw dito. Kasi wala talaga masyadong tourist dito sa Pilar Camotes, guys. Ito yung view niya. So, ayan. Pwede nyong rentahan yung cottage. Floating cottage. Pag mataas yung tubig, syempre lulutang yan. Tapos pwede nyo yan rentahan with your family and friends. Yan. Puntahan natin si Papa dun sa unahan. There's more pala. Medyo naiilang ako maglakad. Kaya ganito na lang position ko, pagilid. Yan. Ito yung another cottage. Yan. Pasok tayo. How it looks. Siguro mga 20 katao kasya dito, guys. Yan. Punta naman tayo dun sa kabila. Dito. Pwede kayong bumaba dito. Mag-ingat lang kayo kasi mga ano siya, matutulis na stone. Yan. Pwede kayong mag-picture dyan, oh. Yan. Mga Instagrammable picture. Akyat kayo dyan. Mag-ingat lang kayo kasi matutulis yung bato. Yan. Tayo. Try natin umakyat. Ay tayo, guys. Uy. Pa! Wow.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you are real right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling. The nothing that it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way the twilight, my only, my bestie. You my love. Let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love. Ooh, somebody else, and that is you. Ooh, falling in with you. Not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more.
Yun lang naman naman, kung gusto niya lang ng sightseeing dito sa Pilar Camotes, yan ang isa sa mga option nyo. So, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy our little trip here at the boardwalk. Let's go home, and thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel vlogs. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye!